What sort of doctor was Dr. Mudd? A. Careless, sloppy. B. Generous, caring. C. Clueless, money-hungry. Or D. Cold-hearted, unfeeling. We find several descriptions of Mudd throughout the text. The third paragraph tells us that although he was a stranger to him, Dr. Mudd set Booth's leg and persuaded the two travelers to stay in his house for the rest of the night. The fourth paragraph describes this as a merciful act. The seventh paragraph describes that, in spite of the fact that the guards and other inmates called him that Lincoln murderer and treated him very badly, he worked hard to fight the disease of yellow fever that ran rampant in the prison. Based on these descriptions of Mudd, we can head down to our choices and see that B, generous and caring, best matches the description given by the text, and can therefore be marked as our final answer.